Connecting to and interacting with 3dverse is as simple as opening a web browser on any device. Let's dive into the browser and check out our web application. It'll be instantly recognizable to any web developer as it's basically all web technologies. A trifecta of HTML, JavaScript, and CSS, and all the imaginable frameworks. We don't really have limitations with frameworks at 3dverse. We really wanted to build an agnostic platform. But most importantly, in the middle of it all is the beating heart of 3dverse, Livelink. Livelink is the name we use for a collection of libraries wrapping our communication protocol. It's composed of Livelink Core, which is the implementation of the protocol that is described using Async API, and its main role is to communicate with the 3dverse server. It uses raw WebSockets, and it's concerned about low-level networking. Around that core, we've built a user-friendly wrapper that we call the Livelink.js, written in TypeScript. It adds the utilities to handle the viewports, the cameras, the canvas, the decoding, etc. Let's showcase how a simple app is made. Running in the browser, there's a 3dverse canvas powered by the application. Code-wise, using Livelink.js, it looks something like this. It's dynamically loading the module and codec instance and a whole lot of other stuff that is verbose. We built it and we saw it was not the most user-friendly. So, we wrote a React wrapper to make it user-friendlier, going from hundreds of lines of code to a mere dozen lines. The library, along with the samples, are now available. Try it now using the link in the description.